Devin Harrolson, aka Dougie Fresh. And, something's not right. Hold on. I'm Devin Harrolson, aka Dougie Fresh is in the building, and season 8, you better be prepared. I'm a tattoo artist from Fuquay Arena, North Carolina. Family man, I love art. Art and family is my biggest things right now. Although being a ninja has been an amazing journey this far. I was on last season, season 8 in Orlando. And if you saw the season, you saw that I had a big surprise for Mrs. Dougie. Unfortunately, the floating tires got me. But she did say yes, and we're happy as can be. She's my biggest supporter, and you know, my son and my daughter, they really inspire me to keep going. It's times on the ninja course where you know you can do something and you fail, and you're like, man, can I do it? Can I keep going? Or like, you want to just stop. And one day after one of the competitions, I fell off the cliffhanger, and I said, I don't think I want to do this anymore. And my son said, you can't quit. It was awesome, and just him saying that gave me that extra drive to keep going. So I made tires my entire mission this season, because they're not gonna get me down. I've flipped tires, and also I love swinging on tires. Since the show, I've been invited to numerous competitions in Atlanta. I've done team competitions. Got a chance to participate in NBC's new Spartan show. In Red Oak, North Carolina, my friend Mike Cook built the biggest backyard Ninja Warrior course, and you can find me there regularly. Matter of fact, let's have a change of scenery. Welcome to the Enchanted Forest. And this beautiful place has been my ninja home. In addition to my preparation for the season, I had a lot of help from my training partner, Neil Crazy Craver.
Want to give a big shout out to my boy Dougie Fresh. He fresh as hell.
Neil went to Vegas last year, and he's been a big help in my training up until this point. So I'm ready. I'm focused. I'm determined.